Hi guys, today we're going to be finding the difference. So we're going to start out with some easy peasy lemon squeezy questions that are asking us the difference between two amounts of things. After this, we're going to be looking at the difference in two lengths and be using our centimeters and the things that we've been learning about measuring to find how much longer some items are. So let's begin with how many more problems. And this is the same type of problem you're going to be doing all day. So this question says, how many more spiders than webs? The first thing I do, I'm going to choose green, is match up what's the same, right? Because I know there's more spiders, but I have to figure out how many more spiders. So this one's done for me. I know that 4 are the same, and there are 1, 2, 3 that are different. These do not have a match, so I would put 3. Now let's look at the next one. First I have to think, are there more cats or are there more yarn? That's right, there's more cats. So if there's more cats, my next step is to find what's the same. I see this is the same, and this is what is different. These are the extra cats. I'm going to try to write extra real fast. Oops. Here we go. These are our extra cats. That's how many extra cats there are than yarns. It's also called the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 more cats than yarns. Now you're going to do some practice problems and we'll come back together for another video about looking at the difference in two lengths. Have fun!